You cannot overexhaust your skin. The point of skincare is not to make it something that it is not. The point is to keep it and to nourish it the best that it can be.
Hi guys, I've just toned my skin with this Dermafique toner. I might order it again, and I'll definitely will review it on my YouTube. But today I have to show you something I ordered from the Dermaco. I ordered the 10% niacinamide serum, which I'm really happy is available in the Indian market because it has 10% niacinamide. I guess, okay, I don't know if it comes inverted because I'm using a selfie camera. Anyways, so first of all, it came in this lovely packaging. The bottle, it's a matte finished glass bottle. It's really nice. It came with a dropper as well as a cap. So I'm just using the dropper, and it came in this box. It was very well secured, and the box was in this air bubble trap, which was in this box. And you know what? Where I stay, it usually takes a lot more time for the delivery to come, but this was delivered within 1 day of ordering, and I was so happy. I was so shocked. It kind of makes me feel that this brand has a more professional approach. Oh my god, the fragrance is so mild, and it's like it's not even there. It's really mild, but it's really nice. I mean, even if it's mild, it's really nice. So it says to apply 3 to 5 drops, but yesterday I applied 5 drops and they were a little too much, so I just applied 3 drops on my face after toning. So it just gotten absorbed really quickly, but I guess, can you see, like, my skin is like little sticky, but I guess that's fine. That should resolve in a while. So since it's a little humid today, so I'll just use my Moisture Surge serum. But basically I'm using the Clinique Moisture Surge, yeah. So I just wanted to show you guys the 10% niacinamide serum basically, because as I said, I'm really glad that something like this got available on the Indian market in a very affordable range. I got this for 455 rupees after applying all the discount coupons and all at the Dermaco site. I don't know if this is available on any other website or not, but the shipping was free, yes, and it was express shipping. It was really nice. The shipping and packaging I'm very, very satisfied with. Let's see now how the product does. I'll definitely try to give a review on this. Just stay tuned. Yeah, I'll keep you updated. And by the way, niacinamide is really good for people of colored skin, like Fitzpatrick 4, 5 and beyond. And it's not like we did not have niacinamide products before on the Indian market. We definitely did, but I don't think we ever had 10% niacinamide, and I hope they've used a good source of niacinamide because that also matters. This product also has zinc, but it's not mentioned how much zinc it has. The ingredients are purified water, niacinamide, propylene glycol, which I guess is a humectant, glycerin, which is again a moisturizing agent, zinc PCA, diethylene glycol, monoethyl ether, phenoxyethanol, hydroxyethyl cellulose, xanthan gum, citric acid, perfume, diazolidinyl urea, ethyl hexyl glycerin, sodium gluconate, iodopropanol, butyl carbamate. Okay. So I hope that helped. In case you're planning to buy this thing or any other niacinamide product, I guess on the Indian market in an affordable range, this is the only niacinamide product. And yeah, I think it's good for acne. And currently I have very acne prone skin. Every year during this time period of July, August, September, even October, I tend to get very breakout prone skin. And let's see how it goes, what happens. And zinc is supposed to help fight with your breakouts, whether you're taking zinc supplements, that also helps. Putting zinc topically also helps. So subscribe and stay tuned, and see you again. Bye.